Hello everyone, I just bought this beautiful window film and I'm going to apply it to my room's window to see how it would look like. So let's do it. Just finished applying the window film in my room's window and it looks so beautiful. And actually there is something unique about it, that the color changes depending on the weather. So if it is sunny it will change than if it is cloudy, and it's easy to apply and also it's easy to remove. If I want to remove it, it's very easy to remove. I think this is the best window film I have ever gotten. Thank you for listening.